In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy iPhone 16 with discount. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Purchasing an iPhone 16 officially for the best price possible can be a little bit complicated. However, in this video, I'm going to be talking about what I believe is the most convenient and secure way to get this done. Keep in mind that in the description and the comment section of this video, I'm going to be providing links that will automatically redirect you to the purchase screen of this particular model. So in this video, it's going to be the standard iPhone 16. So after you are done watching, use the links in the description and the comment section to purchase your own. As you can see, it is going to be available on Amazon. This is sold by Xpericom. This is an Apple Premier partner, and you will be able to get it brand new, SIM-free as well. So you won't be locked to a specific carrier and have to pay monthly installments down the line. So in here, you can get it for $9.99 or $59 per month for 24 months. And you can also do a trade-in. So if you choose select your trade-in, you will be able to trade in any device from these manufacturers: Apple, Google, Samsung, OnePlus, and Motorola. This can give you a significant discount when you trade in your old device. So for example, if you are upgrading from the iPhone 15, you will be able to get up to $300 worth of value, essentially cutting this price into 2/3. So all that you have to do is use the links in the description and the comment section of this video, and you will be redirected to this page where you can purchase the iPhone 16. Keep in mind that Xpericom also offers the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, but of course the focus of this video is going to be the iPhone 16. So I hope I was able to help you. Use the links that I've provided and you will be able to purchase your very own smartphone. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.